Hello, in front of me I've got XGody car dash camera. In this video I'll show you all the buttons functions. Most of these functions are available to find in the user manual, but perhaps you did buy this camera online or it's from second-hand, and if you don't have the user manual, which is in 2 languages, you most possible won't be able to find the functions for those buttons. So follow me in this video to learn more about your XGody car dash camera. Let's start with up button, which is located right here on the right side of your camera. Sorry, on the left side, because this is how you face fronting the camera and that's how it should be positioned. So this up button allows you to switch the camera mode between front and rear camera if you press it once. If you press it and hold, you will enable or disable Wi-Fi function. If you press the M button once, you'll enter video menu settings from the video mode and also photo menu settings from the photo mode. Also, if you press it again, you'll go back to main menu. If you press and hold the down button, you'll enable or disable ASR function. If you press it once, you'll go to next selection under setting mode. So basically, these 3 functions allows you to enter the menu, navigate through menu, confirm, go back, enable Wi-Fi, enable ASR. Next we've got the slot. Thanks to this slot you can install SD card to your camera. Then let's take a look at the top of the camera. Right here we've got the AV port, thanks to which we can plug our rear camera to the main camera. This slot right here allows us to connect the holder to your camera. And then we've got the power supply, which is actually mini USB. Let's go to the right side of the camera. And first we've got the OK button, thanks to which we confirm our choices in the menu if we press it once. Also, if you press it again once, you'll start and stop recording. And in the end, in the photo mode, if you press OK button, you'll take a photo. Next, we've got the switch mode button, which is right here. If you press it once, you'll confirm selection under the setting mode. Press once OK button to stop recording under video recording mode, and then press once mode switch button to enter photo mode. So we press OK button in the selecting mode and then this switch button to select photo mode. Also, if you press this button once, you'll enter the playback video and photo menu and under the photo mode. Next, we've got the emergency lock button. In the video mode, emergency video is locked. After pressing the key, the red flashing of the video will turn to the yellow flashing of locked video. And then, in the end, we've got the power button, which is located right here. If you press and hold this button, you will power on or power off the camera. If you press it once, you'll turn on or off the display. And that's basically it for all buttons and outlets in this camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.